What's going on, Austin? You're in your chair? You're slouching a little. A little bit of a slouch. Huh? Such a big boy bouncing on that chair. Yeah. What is that here? Can you grab it? Good boy. What a big baby. My goodness. Whoop. Don't fall. Very tasty, isn't it? It's very tasty. Such a big baby. Yes, you are big. Learning so much already. Don't throw it to the ground. Don't throw it on the ground. Alright. Oh, you'd like to lean that way, huh? But that's okay. This is your first time in this chair. First time. Look how good you look. Yeah, you're going to be in this chair a lot. This is where we're going to experiment on different food, Austin. But don't put that whole thing in your mouth now. Oh. You want your passy? Actually, you might be hungry. It's noon. Okay, okay. Bye-bye, Austin. Probably gonna start feeding soon. Bye-bye. Mr. Hungry, Mr. Hippo. Austin. Austin. Oh boy, okay. No more cuteness. Time to feed me. Time to feed me.